A well-known issue with Kia and Hyundai vehicles is the crankshaft position sensor. Basically, the problem with a faulty crank sensor is that sometimes the car will just shut off while you're driving. And when you try to start it up, it won't crank. Sometimes it will start, sometimes it won't. The easiest way to spot this is when you're trying to start the car and the RPM gauge just doesn't move at all. That's a clear sign that the crank sensor is gone. Or during a drive, the RPM will just drop to 0. We are here with the 1.4 liter naturally aspirated engine found in the Kia Stonic and other cars. You see that the connector is over here and the crank sensor itself right next to the exhaust manifold in the back near the radiator hose. There it is under the hose. You have a single 10mm bolt. One bolt, you just pull the sensor out, replace it with a new one. I took apart the airbox here with just one 10mm bolt and two clips just to get the wiring harness clip. The clip is right here. We'll pop it up with a clip removal tool.
יופי. לא, כלום. אין כלום.
Alright, we connect the clip into its bracket.
Yeah. Yeah, see.
And let's put the connector. The connector has a tab that needs to sit on the mount of this bracket. And you can see I'm bending the bracket a little bit because it bent during removal. And let's slide it in. Slide it in until it clicks.
כן. אוקיי, משחילים את זה עד הקליק. אוקיי.
Perfect. And then we plug in the connector. And that's it, we're good to go. Everything is fine. Let's put back the air filter and the cover. And start it up just to make sure everything is perfect. Great. Thank you for watching. See you next time.